Acharya, world-class education.
This is Kumari, science teacher at Sri Sampurna Vidyalayam, handling 10th standard. Here, now how to face science question paper in the public examination and how to get more marks, 100 marks, or low category students, how to achieve 50 marks out of 75. Only 75 marks for science exam. Here, we should concentrate our handwriting in the presentation. Neat handwriting, neat diagrammatic questions, then formulae and units in the problem-based questions, then concept understanding. If you understand the concept, definitely you can answer all the questions and you can achieve 75 out of 75. Here, how the question paper model will be. See, in the question paper, 1 to 15 question paper, that is in part A, MCQ questions, that is choose the correct answer. You should answer all the 15 questions. Then for that, each carries 1 mark. Out of 15, you should get 15 easily. You can concentrate all the lessons. But all 1 mark questions, it will be asked from every lesson except the 10th lesson, atoms and molecule lessons. In that portion, no 1 word questions. All the other questions will be coming from every lessons. In that part B questions, lesson number 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 17. If you concentrate these lessons, definitely you can answer 21 questions, but you have to answer only 20. So if you thorough with these lessons, out of 17 lessons, you should concentrate only 8 lessons. Definitely you can get 40 marks. So science is a very easy subject, at the same time very important subject also, because it is related to our life. If you concentrate or if you understand the concept, definitely you can answer all the questions. Match the following, odd one out, pick out the odd one and give reason, diagrammatic questions, everything. It will be easy for you to answer. So you can achieve more marks by understanding the concept. So science subject is, why science subject is easy and very important? Because science is the boost of your total marks. If you concentrate only these lessons, you can achieve 75 out of 75, and if you get 75 out of 75, definitely you can get 100 marks, because 25 marks already it is in your hand, because already you have completed your practical exam and you have got 25 marks, and 25 marks is in your hand now. So if you get 75 marks, total 100. So easily you can get centum in science. Even the slow learners or even the below average students also focus these lessons. Definitely they can also get above 70 out of 75. So if you concentrate these tips, definitely you can achieve more than 70. As well as the toppers, you can get 100 out of 100 easily in science. So now our next science teacher will continue. He will give some techniques, tips, and how to face the question paper easily. Thank you. All the best, children.